Manufacturers traditionally have used external manufacturing execution system applications to connect shop floor assets with core systems that often encounter challenges like significant cost, multiple integrations, fragmented processes, and data. PwC's advanced manufacturing capabilities, enabled by Oracle technology, can help by facilitating human-to-machine interactions, machine-to-machine interactions, and supervisor scheduling. Built on a common data model, advanced manufacturing capabilities can provide order prioritization and sequencing, clear-to-build shortage and alerts and maintenance notifications, inline quality orchestration, and IoT connectivity, helping improve machine uptime and availability. Our technology focuses on the user experience, aiming to arm the users with a more intuitive tool so they can achieve results and increase efficiency during the manufacturing process. A typical work experience might look like: a plant supervisor reviews the sequencing and resequencing of work orders and prioritizes a work order. A user scans components, starts a work order, follows the work instruction and task management, after which your IoT-enabled manufacturing equipment processes the next workflow action to completion. If a machine goes down, the operator can create a maintenance request seamlessly. PwC's advanced manufacturing capabilities can help provide ease of execution throughout various manufacturing industries. Connected in one central location across applications, and typically with no translation or cross-references needed, it can give you process standardization on multiple layers. As a manufacturer, you know the importance of enhancing machinery uptime and empowering your team to help increase productivity. Learn more about how PwC's advanced manufacturing capabilities can help